AstraZeneca, a global science-led biopharmaceutical company covering therapeutic areas of oncology, rare diseases, and biopharmaceuticals, including cardiovascular, renal and metabolism, and respiratory and immunology, is one of the few companies that cover the entire life cycle of a medicine, from research and development to the manufacturing, supply, and global commercialization of innovative specialty care medicines. But have you ever wondered how a medicine goes from an idea to a pill you can take? Let's break it down for you. First off, let's talk about the key differences between two kinds of medicines: pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals are made through chemical synthesis with small molecules and atomic structures. They're often taken orally. On the flip side, biopharmaceuticals are made by living cells with large molecules and are usually injected. At AstraZeneca, our journey starts with our unique approach to research and development. We inspire people with curious minds, harness data and technology, work seamlessly and inclusively, and more importantly, always learn from patients. And focusing on quality, not quantity, our 5R framework guides our R&D efforts. Scientists at AstraZeneca kick things off by looking for potential medicines. They conduct lab research to create something safe and effective, keeping in mind the specific needs of patients. The process of patient protection from the potential medicine also begins at this stage. Once they have a potential medicine, it undergoes rigorous testing in labs to ensure safe usage on the human body. Then they figure out the right dosage and how it interacts with the body. Moving on to testing on a small group of healthy folks or patients. It's all about understanding absorption, distribution, excretion of potential medicine in the human body, and identifying side effects. If everything checks out, they administer the medicine to a small group of patients to assess its effectiveness, tolerability, and determine the optimal dose. In the final stage, they test the medicine on a large group to gather more information on effectiveness and safety and evaluate an overall risk-benefit profile. This is the last step before seeking regulatory approval. All the data collected is then submitted to the health authorities like the FDA in the US, the EMA in Europe, and then country-specific regulatory bodies, who then approve the usage of the drug for a particular treatment to prevent off-label usage, a process that takes around 12 to 18 months. Another crucial aspect is the pharmaceutical supply chain, where raw material, drug substances, and components are delivered to production centers. At AstraZeneca, we maintain rigorous testing through the manufacturing process, ensuring safety and effectiveness through a stringent quality control regimen. The final products are transported, sorted, and globally exported from advanced facilities, utilizing diverse transport modes such as sea, train, and air. And finally, global commercialization, a critical stage that extensively covers the market exclusivity period, MEP, the time between market launch of an innovative drug and the launch of its first generic. Once the product is launched, AstraZeneca starts conducting activities to create awareness and broadcast information to current and potential customers. The aim is to achieve the largest possible share of the market and maximize turnover. As time progresses and growth becomes a challenge, the focus shifts to maintaining market share. When market share and profits decline, AstraZeneca consolidates on the gained market segments and works to minimize expenses. When the patent expires, indicating the loss of market exclusivity, companies, including AstraZeneca, navigate through a period of revenue decline and seek defensive strategies to retain market share through the reinvestment of returns and positively tackling potential strategy variables. However, the ultimate objective is to extend the life cycle over a long period. So there you have it, from a bright idea in a lab to a pill you might take when you're not feeling so great. And at AstraZeneca, we're part of the whole incredible journey, ensuring medicines are not just developed, but also reach and benefit patients worldwide with a commitment to a healthier, sustainable world. Pretty cool, huh?